girls, we're ready for our name activity. We just have a few pages left in our name workbook. Today, you're going to do the page that looks like this. Okay, and I'm going to kind of tell you the directions, and then you can get your name workbook out and do it. It says, I can make my name a pattern. And a pattern is something that repeats itself. Kind of like our pattern on calendar right now is book, apple, book, apple. So we're going to do a pattern of colors. So I might choose the colors blue and red for mine. So I would color the first pencil blue, then red, then blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. And the pattern is just going to repeat itself over and over again. So I want you to pick 2 colors that you want to use for your name pattern. And you're going to alternate them. You're going to use one color and then the next. Then the first color, then the second. First, second, and you're going to repeat your pattern to color in all the pencils of your name. Can't wait to see what you come up with.